All right, I'm declaring summer over. It's done. No more. Today was the first official day of fall, and temperatures were still warm for today. They're not going to be warm for tomorrow. We're going to be below average for the majority of this work week. The warmest temperature I have in the 7-day forecast, I think, is only 76 degrees. So it's going to be a whole lot better. We're done with 90s. Summer's over. We're switching to fall. So in that process, we're going to get another round of wet weather that's going to be coming in. Quiet right now in Springfield. I think most activity isn't going to be happening until we get past that midnight hour, but it could be a very rainy day on Monday. Now, Springfield managed to stay dry for today. Not everyone in the Ozarks managed to do the same. Look at this thunderstorm that moved in Howell County, Ozark County, Douglas County. Wasn't the most impressive thunderstorm that we've seen. We've had larger thunderstorms. Wind speeds were only 40, 50 miles per hour, but it was fast enough to cause a fatality today in this region. Unfortunately, there was a couple that was camping at the Cloud9 Ranch. They took shelter in their camper, and winds were fast enough to topple that around and cause a fatality. Condolences and prayers go out to the family. It's absolutely terrible to see, and we have more chances of thunderstorms that could be coming in tomorrow. We're still not done with this pattern. I'm hoping that I don't see anything that could be causing fatalities tomorrow. Let's hope that's the same case, but most of this activity not happening on radar right now. The Ozarks is staying quiet, but there is rain to the north of us, to the east of us, to the west of us, to the south of us, all around us. It's going to start spilling into our area once we get later into the night. Models paused at really 1 a.m. You can start to see this cell that's going to be developing, but expecting most of the rain to really kick off once we get closer to that sunrise hour, and it's going to be widespread. I think everyone has the chance of getting clipped with some thunderstorm activity, especially at the start of the day Monday. I think that's the best chance, the best time period to see rain that's going to be kicking off. By the time we're getting into the afternoon, I think the bulk of heavy rainfall is going to be moving out into the east, but we still have chances of some lingering showers and kind of some stray storms that are going to be taking place to end the day off on Monday. I don't think we completely close the window for rainfall opportunities until we get late into Monday night into the start of Tuesday morning. That's when the front is going to be well pushed out of our area. You can start to see the cold front right here. That's going to be all the way down to our south. We're going to be stuck with cooler temperatures and conditions that are going to be calm momentarily. Calm for Tuesday, calm for Wednesday. Then more wet weather is expected to start off on Thursday and to finish out the work week. Totals could be impressive. I think the majority of people for the next 48 hours, somewhere between ½ an inch up to 2 inches. And I think in some pockets, I would not be surprised if some rain gauges are hitting 3 inches of rainfall. Temperatures tomorrow, not 90, not 80. How about this? 70 degrees is what we're forecasted. Everyone has a chance of getting rain. On Tuesday, we really start to dry out, push out this cloud cover. Temperatures will warm up a bit, still not all that much. Look at the rain outlook for this entire week. Heavy, impressive totals. Models are saying somewhere between 3, even 4 inches of rain could be possible. There's two things that are causing this. One is we're going to have a cutoff low pressure system that's going to sit in place. It's going to spin around, great rain chances. And then out to the east, look at this. We have chances of another hurricane that could be forming. National Weather Service, or rather the National Hurricane Center, is giving an 80% chance that we can see a cyclone develop in the next 7 days. That could be bringing some more wet weather our way. The 7-day forecast is looking waterlogged. Tuesday and Wednesday are the only days I have up there that I think we're going to be staying dry. Definitely rain coming on Monday. Probably going to be getting on the back half of the work week as well. Rain's coming, just not those warm temperatures. We're done with those. Summer is over, Carissa.
That's what you say, and then in 2 weeks from now, it's going to be 90 again, and we're all going to know who to blame.
Well, that's the fun part about being a meteorologist in the Ozarks is like, you never know what's coming. It mixes up so much. This is not like San Francisco when you're like, it's going to be sunny and 70, guys. It's something different every week.
Keep on your toes.
But hey, I think we're done with 90s. I would be amazed if it happens.
Well, either way, we still have a great week ahead of us, even with the rain. We can handle that. We'll just grab an umbrella, grab a rain jacket.
Stay dry.
Yep. Thanks, Matt.
Yep.